Dog. Get out, there's a fire.
Get out, there's a fire. Grab your dog. Hop in. I'm in. Come on.
Let's go.
Where's the dog?
Hey, come here. Anybody else in the house? Come on. Come on. Get him. It's all the way in the back. Back door.
All the way in the back?
All the way in the back door.
That usually shed.
We drove by, we saw the flames. Popped the fence. You came to the back door.
Your glass inside, no? Oh, you saved my life.
Thank you
All right.
so much.
All right, guys. Feel better.
Thank you so much.